Over the years, I've received many questions about if there was actually a rainbow-colored lightsaber crystal that of course would produce a rainbow blade, and in all actuality, there is such a thing in the Star Wars mythos, although we don't know much about it. Fittingly so, this is known as a rainbow gem. It should be made clear that a rainbow gem was not a lightsaber or kyber crystal, but it could actually be used within a lightsaber. It fit in similarly to the way that the Krayt Dragon Pearl did that we discussed in yesterday's video. What made the gems unique is just like the kyber crystals, they were actual living things and were silicon based. It took the rainbow gems about 1,000 years to mature, but at which point they could be used within a lightsaber. The Jedi Knight Tenel actually had a lightsaber of rainbow coloration, as of course she was nobility on the planet. It is also rumored that Tenel had a tiara made of rainbow gems, the price of which was said to be equivalent to an entire solar system. Needless to say, these rainbow gems were incredibly rare, and Tenel was the only Jedi or Sith Lord to use one within a lightsaber, proving in fact that it could be done. Tenel actually had a lightsaber hilt that was formed using a rancor tooth, and it was only after it was revealed that she was in fact royalty that she placed the rainbow gem within the lightsaber, before choosing to have a blue lightsaber in coloration. Not much is really known about the rainbow gem lightsaber color or if it offers any special abilities. However, as I said earlier, it is not a kyber crystal, and is actually a living thing, similarly to how they changed it in Star Wars canon, which the rainbow gem falls under Legends continuity. Again, we've only ever seen one person utilize the rainbow gem lightsaber. Again guys, unfortunately, another lightsaber crystal that we don't really know much about. Again though, it doesn't really signify anything for the wielder except for maybe riches, as the rainbow gem was exceptionally rare. As far as special abilities though, we don't really know of them containing any. So in the end guys, this ultimately turned out to be a shorter video, but what are your thoughts on the rainbow gem lightsaber? And did you know about a rainbow gem lightsaber crystal before this video? As always my friends, thank you guys so much for watching, may the force be with you, and have a great day.